Hello everyone, my name is Lucy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is about best sewing machine for beginners. In my opinion, Brother XL2600i is the best sewing machine for beginners for 2014. When talking about Brother XL2600i sewing machine, it comes with these outstanding features. First, Easy Stitch Selector. Selecting your stitch is as easy as turning the dial. The second is jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin. Just drop in your bobbin, pull the thread through the slot, and start sewing. Third, Easy Threading System, with automatic needle threader. Simply follow the threading diagram printed on your machine, and then have the built-in automatic needle threader take care of threading the needle for you. It couldn't be easier. Fourth, one-step, auto-sized buttonholes. Easily create custom-sized buttonholes with the built-in one-step buttonhole stitch and the included buttonhole foot. And use the included button-fitting foot to then sew on each button. Fifth, super easy bobbin winding. With your upper thread in place, and the bobbin set on the winder, just push the bobbin control to the right, and your bobbin is wound for you, fast, easy, and reliable. Sixth, built-in free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves. Perfect for sewing sleeves, pant legs on children's clothing and other smaller cylindrical items. And here are my review about Brother XL2600i sewing machine. The sewing machine is excellent. I'm a beginner in sewing, and I'm lucky to choose the right machine. I taught myself to sew using this machine and I'm very impressed. It is easy to use and multiple stitches can satisfy my needs. It comes with 3 all-purpose needles plus all the extras they list. I purchased some heavy-weight needles for jeans and had no problems sewing them. It has reverse stitching for locking in the stitch. Since I'm only a beginner, I'm not sure if it has advanced capabilities, but it is perfect for my needs. The only bad I would say about this machine is that the tension dial. It is picky beyond belief. It takes patience to find the right number or close to one for different sewing material. I just mark it off, so I don't have to look for it again. Go right to my marks and I'm set to go. Overall, this is perfect sewing machine for beginners. No wonder if Brother XL2600i become the best sewing machine for beginners in 2014. If you buy Brother XL2600i sewing machine through link below, you can get 2 years warranty by SmartGuard with additional cost. You also can get free 2-day shipping if you are Prime member. Get Brother XL2600i sewing machine now at unbelievable price for limited time offer. Thank you for watching. And if you like my video, please share it with others.